All right, so here's what we're going to do. This is last Friday's assignment, so 417. I saw a lot of people just draw lines without plotting. You need to plot. So here's how I'm going to plot. 1, and then that 7 be about there. And then I have 2, 10. That 10 be about there. Then I have 3, 12. 4, and then that 15 be about there. And then 5, 19, and then 6. Oh no, oh no, oh no. We're just gonna act like that is not there because I don't know how to delete it. But here's my dot. For real though, we're gonna act like it's not there. So we have to make a line of best fit from these. Do not, I repeat, do not do a connect the dot situation. This is not a dot to dot. I'm sorry, I'm not here to relax you with the fun of a dot to dot. We are here to draw a line of best fit. A line of best fit will go through some of them, not all of them. So we gotta draw a box. Ooh, there we go. Oh Lord, this is so much easier on paper. Don't draw it as bad as me. I am on a computer and not an iPad. Straight line, Miss Van Galder. Straight line. Oh no. How about I change the color and try again? Alright. I'm supposed to cut my box in half and not have it be so ratchet, but oof. Y'all get the point. It would look like this. Alright. Well, she tried her best. That's my line of best fit. I'm not asking for perfect. I'm asking for, did it go through a decent amount of the data, which there's a dot. Some dots are below, some dots are above. That's okay. Not that you can really see them amongst this mess that I made because I'm using my computer and a mouse instead of my fingers. But yeah, we're gonna. So I scroll down here because now I need to answer some questions. Why on earth are some of you guys skipping this question? This is like the most important question. So I gotta say, is the correlation strong or weak? So the dots are very close to the line. So I'm gonna say it's strong. And then, is it positive or negative? Is it going up or down? That stuff's going up. So it's gonna be strong, positive. All right, when x is 7, what's y doing? Here's what I do. So I go to x equals 7, I scroll up, go about here. So they were going by 2s, so 22, and then in the middle that'd be like 23. So I'm going to take the guess and go 23. My estimate. 23. What's my y-intercept? My y-intercept is when my line crosses the y-axis. So right here. So that'd be 5. Some of you guys, it just depends on your line, and I take that into consideration. I look at the graph. So here's how we do it. I'm going to have to make another video for Monday's assignment, but I hope that this helps you still. So I'm going to end this and make a new video. I hope this helped, guys.